classification, which goods class are there which qualify for the geographical indication is like handicrafts are there, agricultural products are there, manufactured products are there, and we have seen the example of manufactured products just now. Food stuff is there, then the natural products are there. Right. So, this is the classification, and if you see that classification, if we see the good wise breakup, you can just check here that those who are registered like 475 registrations are till date, considering the 2023 we are talking. After that we are not taking, we have not considered that number here. It is like a handicraft number is a 258, 252, which is a highest we can say, and then like a natural kind of a products which are there, like that 3 registrations are there. Okay, so this is a good wise registration. Now, if we go into the state wise breakup actually, then we can get that it's like alphabetically you can just check